Na Minista wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen kuelezea wia munene wa serikali nthini wa maandamano ala mavangitwe kutoiwa muthani wa uni ayasya serikali tayoyumitie kukomanya na miao andu ala indi meulikilila maandamano undu vailite aina Murkomen ni wasya kana muvya wa DCI ni wende kuthuima a Kenya ala maminite ukuni walivoti tamaende kuvangithya na kumakengethya a Kenya kutwaiisya syiko mbai muthani wa uni ayasya serikali kwithiwa yingunu muno no kukwatikana ayoya kwananga kana kulikilila maviasana mene o vamwe na kwikonia syikoni ingi itembitikilie.
Patieli masaa mavuthu maandamano ma kulilikana amuika ala matiwe ni thayo ivindani ya maandamano ma kuleana na mutalatala wa Kinandu wa mwaka wa 2024.
Thursday, as I've said, will be a normal business and school day.
Serikali kuisila Minista wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwaweta kana na ateti kwenda kutumia maandamano asu kwiyaka kiuteti na ni mavangithitye mbulili sya Kuete Ithokoo aiweta kana serikali ni kuthinikia mundu wonthe ukakwatikana na mavityo.
It is now clear through the intelligence report being pursued by the DCI that the same people who are actually pretending to tell people to stay away from the streets and from demonstrations are actively, as we speak, through their agents and themselves, mobilizing goons to come tomorrow to the streets so that they can get an opportunity to justify their statements and to try to blame the government. The government will deal decisively and in accordance with the law with any individuals or groups seeking to exploit legitimate protests to cause chaos, engage in looting, destroy property, disrupt businesses, or commit any other criminal acts.
Ingi Murkomen wasya kana volisi makeka chonthe kimia kusesea andamani ala makethia matwaiisye miatanio kwanzia ya muuo pamwe na enenthi ala makethwa matwaiisye maundu moo na syana sya skulu.
The government respects the constitutional rights of all Kenyans to peacefully assemble for whatever reason on any day. Police are therefore ready to provide security and guide the protesters tomorrow according to their requests. We call upon all organizers and participants to conduct their demonstrations within the bounds of the law, ensuring they remain peaceful and unarmed.
Ingi Murkomen wenda alama kwikonia na miatanio isumekithie ni matumania muuo ai mathuthia mekatete uthengeania na mbulili.
We expect that members of the public, including protesters, will not wait for the police to make their security and safety choices. Even if you are a peaceful protester and find yourself in the middle of goons and criminals, it is advisable that you make the right decision by disassociating yourself from this company. This will make it easier for the police to enforce the law.
Kavindani ka Murkomen watula muti atongoi ala methitwe maiweta kana serikali ni kukwata mbao ikundi sya mbulili na imamai ila sithitwe inyamasya enenthi.
We have also noted with concern unfortunate utterances by some leaders, including from the religious society, inciting members of the public by insinuating that the government is in any way supports goons and criminals. The government of Kenya does not condone or work with goons or criminals.
Ngilivote ya vilingwa mauvo nitawa Susan Kavili.